Okay students, now let's see the next instruction, that is LHLD 16-bit address. You know that for any instruction the first part it is known as opcode. So in this instruction the first part it is opcode which is LHLD. The remaining part is operand which is 16-bit address. What is the byte of this instruction? If in the instruction no data is present, it means 1 byte. If 8-bit data is present, it means it is of 2 byte. If 16-bit value is present, it means this instruction is of 3 byte. So it is a 3 byte instruction. What is the meaning of 3 byte instruction? When this instruction is stored in the memory, it will occupy 3 consecutive memory locations. So that is the meaning of 3 byte. Machine cycle, we are getting that into a bit later. Let's first see the meaning of the instruction. Now LHLD 16-bit address. LHLD 16-bit address means load the data from the 16-bit address to HL pair. Now here you have to notice one thing. In the memory of the microprocessor, the size of the one address is 16-bit. It is represented in the hexadecimal. If you convert into binary, the size of the one address is 16-bit. The data which can be stored in the one location, that is 8-bit. So in the 16-bit address, only 8-bit data can be stored. So LHLD 16-bit address means the data which is present in the 16-bit memory location will be transferred to the HL pair. Let's see one example so that you can understand. The example is LHLD 4000H. Now you know that data from the 4000H will be transferred to HL pair. Before the execution, suppose the HL pair is empty, there is no data present. After the execution, in the HL pair, the data will be transferred from the 4000H. Now, how the data will be transferred? So, in the first step, the data which is present in the 4000H will be moved to the L. So, you can see that in the 4000H, 12 is present. So, 12 will be moved to the L. After that, the memory location will be incremented by 1 and data from the 4001H will be transferred to the H. So to transfer 16-bit data, the processor has to read 2 memory location. Okay, so from the 4000H which is specified in the instruction, from the 4000H data will be transferred to the L, and after that the memory location will be incremented and data will be transferred from the 4001 to the H. Okay, flags. So this instruction is data transfer instruction, so no flags are affected. Now let's see the machine cycle. This instruction is of 3 byte. So when you give this instruction to the memory, it will be stored from the starting location. Because it is a 3 byte instruction, it will occupy 3 consecutive memory locations. So in the first location, opcode will be stored, which is LHLD. In the next location, the lower byte of the address will be stored, which is 00H. And after that, the higher byte of the address will be stored. After the instruction is provided to the memory, after the instruction is stored to the memory, the processor will start performing its work, which is fetch, decode and execute. So in the first step, the processor will fetch the opcode. Now when processor will perform the opcode fetch, this whole instruction will not be read. Because when processor perform opcode fetch, only opcode will be transferred. To read this whole instruction, processor has to read this remaining addresses too. So to read this whole instruction, processor has to perform 2 more machine cycles, which is memory read. So when microprocessor perform opcode fetch, memory read and memory read, this whole instruction will be transferred to the microprocessor. After instruction is transferred, the processor will decode. After decoding, processor will understand that what process it has to do and it will execute. Now what are the steps which is done in the execution? In the execution, what is happening that the data which is present in the 4000H, it is transferred to the M. It means one location is read. Processor has performed memory read. After that, from the next location, the processor is transferring data from the memory to the edge. It means processor is performing one more machine cycle, which is memory read. So, for this instruction, how many machine cycles are required? Opcode fetch plus memory read plus memory read and memory read. Okay, so I hope you get it.